If you have ever thought about starting a blog but not know where to begin, or you started one and it's going nowhere, this course was built specifically for you. My name is Chimezedu, the founder of InkRise Academy. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this course will do for you and why it is different from the ones you have seen online. I'm a Nigerian blogger, an online blogging coach. I run affiliateblog.com, a real-life affiliate blog I built from scratch, right here in Nigeria, using the same exact method and strategies I'm going to teach you in this course. And I would like you to pay attention so you can learn from the exact strategies I used in building my own blog. I didn't build InkRise Academy to sell you a dream. I built it because when I started, there was no complete practical blogging resources built for Nigerians and African bloggers. Everything was foreign, expensive, and didn't speak to our direct reality and our culture and the way we understand how to build a blog in Nigeria. This course does all that. Every lesson, every tools, every strategy is tested and is proven right here in Africa. And that's exactly what this blog is built to show you. Here's what's waiting for you inside this course titled Ink To Income Masterclass. In Module 1, we build a foundation, niche selection, your target audience, and how blogs actually make money. In Module 2, we build your blog live from scratch, domain, hosting, WordPress installation, and all of it in your screen. In Module 3, your WordPress mastery completely and everything you need to know on how to install WordPress, plugins, pages, navigations, and everything inclusive, everything concerning WordPress from the beginning, from the scratch until the finishing of WordPress, all inside this course. In the Module 4, we brand your blog professionally using only free tools. There are a lot of paid tools there. You can actually call people to build your blog for you. They will charge you a different amount of building your blog for you by asking you to pay some amount of money in terms of graphic designing, logo, and all that. But all these things, you're going to get all of them inside this course free of charge without paying a dime. In Module 5, we get into content creation, keyword research, writing your SEO posts that rank in Google, and building a content calendar. In Module 6 is our SEO dive, how Google actually works and how to get your blog found in Google. And in Module 7, my favorite, which is monetization, affiliate marketing, AdSense, sponsors, posts, and digital products. All of it are all inside this course, right? And I'm going to tell you the truth. You are getting all these things only for that specific amount you're paying for this course and nothing more. There's no hidden charges, right? In Module 8, we drive real traffic from Google, Facebook, Pinterest, and email, and all other websites and all other sources that can bring you traffic to your blog. And in Module 9, we review your analytics, analyze your data, and build your growth roadmap. This is very important because as a blogger, you must know your roadmap. And plus, full bonus model packed with tools and templates and resources all packed inside this course, and they are all downloadable. While you are going through the course, you download all these resources and then you have it inside your laptop or inside your phone, which you can actually fill it at any time and also follow this roadmap in building your growing blog. By the time you complete this course, and I mean really go through it and take action, you will have a live blog, professionally designed, SEO optimized, and blog with at least one active income channel already running. Not just a knowledge in your head, not just notes in the book. I am talking about real working blog in the internet, built by you, owned by you, earning for you. So here is how the course is structured. You have 9 modules and 46 videos in this course, all pre-recorded, so you watch at your own pace or your own schedule as many times as you need. Every module comes with downloadable resources, checklists, templates, and worksheets you can actually use at your own time. New lessons are added regularly, so the course only gets better over time. And you will have an access to our private InkRise Students WhatsApp community where you can ask questions, get feedback, and connect with other bloggers on the same journey. can always stay connected, and then I'm always available to answer your questions. Every question you have, you drop it. I'm available to answer your questions and make sure that you are building your blog at the right track. So that's it. Everything you need to go from zero to real monetized blog is right here waiting for you. Don't just watch. Take action. Go straight to the module 1, lesson 1, and let's get started right now. I will see you inside. Welcome to InkRise Academy, where writers